welcome back to another one. I apologize, man. I haven't uploaded a video in so long, man. So pretty much today, what I'm gonna be doing, as you can see, let me back out a little bit. As you can see, I'm getting ready to measure this out, how many feet I'm gonna need, how wide it need to be, because I'm actually finna order some vinyl wrap, and I'm gonna install some racing stripes on here. So I'm letting y'all know what I'm doing. So I already been looking on Amazon and other couple websites. I'm gonna buy some glossy black vinyl wrap, and I'm going to put the stripes here and the stripes there, and it's gonna go all the way across the top. So yeah, so I'm gonna measure out the back, and this is what I mean about the lines and stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but that's just the lines, the way I painted it right there. You see those little lines? Like I showed y'all, that was a while ago, a long time ago. But if you come and look at it like that, you can kind of see it. That's where I kind of messed up at the top right there. But yeah, so it's gonna come down from right there, follow the guidelines right here, come all the way down to the bumper, all the way to the middle, down to the bumper, and then right here center with the camera, it's gonna go straight down right here with the Nissan. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure this out. I think I'm gonna need probably maybe 16 feet, not 16 feet, probably like 10 feet, 10 by 5. All right, so this from right here to right here will be 3'10" and a half. So from the top of the hood up there all the way down here will be 3'10" and a half inches. And from the bottom of it right there to the top part, that will be 1'7" and a half inches. We're gonna do 1'7" and a half inches. Then across the top, we're gonna be, let's do 5 feet 4 inches all the way across the top here. Like I said, I had a couple arrows on there painting the top, which I should have did the box formation, but I ain't worried about that. Man, this thing been on here more than a year and it's still holding up. So so that'll be 5 feet 4 inches right here on the top. And then if we go around the back, I need to cut the grass too. Hoping they was gonna come out and do it. But from right here, the back of the trunk, to right here, that'll be 1'4". So I think the 5 feet wide will be cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do 5 feet wide. So that'll be 1'4" from right here under the spoiler to the bottom of the bumper. I apologize. So yeah, I'm back after those. From right here, the bottom of this to up here, that is going to be 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet 1 inches. Right there, from there to there, 2 feet 1 inches. So I'm gonna show y'all a little picture also of the design that I want to make it look like. So I might end up ordering some vinyl tint too. Might end up ordering that vinyl tint and do the vinyl tint across here, or I might use the VHT nightshade. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I think I might get the vinyl tint and put it across here. I got a little idea what I want to do with that. But other than that, man, that's it. Peace out. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.